Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry. And today I have for you some pasta with the red wine sauce and some pan-seared whiting. Make sure you guys check the description box below for the recipe, and make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification button. We're gonna start off with some whole grain spaghetti. And what we're gonna do is boil your water, add a little bit of oil and some salt. You're gonna cook these noodles for about 14 minutes, drain them, and reserve some of the pasta water for later. While that's going on, we have some flour with a little bit of season oil, and we're going to take some whiting. I actually love this fish because it comes with the skin on. We're gonna dredge. Sorry if you hear a baby in the background, that's mine. We're going to dredge our fish in some flour. And we're not going to use any egg wash or anything like that. We're just going to dredge the fish in flour. Then we have in our skillet some extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to shake off that excess flour and place the whiting in there. And you're going to cook this on medium-low heat. You don't want to burn your fish at all. And it takes a short time to cook. So then we're going to add some butter to that. That's going to help it become golden brown. And then once that's done, you're going to remove the fish from the pan. And you're not going to add anything else to that. We have some red onions, green peppers, arugula, and tomatoes. We're going to start by adding the peppers and the onion together in the same pan. That's going to help really build that flavor. We're going to sauté that. And then we're going to deglaze it with some red wine. Make sure that it's dry wine. Take a little sip for yourself. If you're over the age of 21, then pour some of that in just to deglaze the pan. Then my helper and I are going to add a spoonful of tomato paste to that. And then we're going to add the pasta to this. And then we're going to add that pasta water to it as well. Next, we're going to add some Parmesan cheese, the tomatoes, and the arugula. You're just going to stir that around. At this point, you want to add some salt and pepper to taste. And you want your heat to be on low at this point. Then we're going to add some red pepper flakes and some dried parsley, my helper and I. And after that, we're going to stir it around and turn off the heat. The pasta is done. This is not the type that has a very wet sauce. So you're just going to plate it and put the fish right on top. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.